The electric toothbrush can clean plaque on the teeth surface, but it cannot reach the gap between the teeth, gingival, sulcus, or tooth decay to truly clean the teeth. And the traditional string floss can easily scratch the gums, cause tooth deformation, and increase the teeth gap while removing plaque. So we came up with 5 best water flossers that clean the plaque, residues, and bacteria on the gums, ensuring the health of both the teeth and gums. Let's check them out.
The Trendy Beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users, so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
The X-Waves Portable Water Flosser is our 5th preferred water flosser that is cleansing the plaque in the teeth, but also cleans the residues and bacteria on the gums, ensuring the health of both the teeth and gums. It is featured with 4 operation modes that can set according to your needs. The water flosser operates at 2,200 pulses per minute and produces an ultrafine 0.6 mm stream of high pressure, pulsating water that effectively removes plaque and food debris from deep between the teeth and below the gum line. This portable oral flosser delivers up to 100 psi of water pressure thanks to its highly effective piston structure. It also provides 360-degree oral cleaning experience, leaving no blind corner. The X-Waves Portable Water Flosser is available on Amazon with a good number of positive reviews and ratings. Check some real reviews from the users. Specification. It's time to rate this water flosser. It effectively removes up to 99.9% plaque and prevents various problems, promoting a better oral health. In terms of user's acceptance, we want to rate it 4 out of 5. This water flosser gives you a complete cleaning throughout your mouth. In terms of value, we rate it 5 out of 5. It's available at around $30, so our rating for its price is 5 out of 5. Our 4th preferred water flosser is the Cremax water flosser that tackle hard-to-reach plaque, stubborn tartar, and food debris. It is designed with 3 impactful cleaning modes for a one-of-a-kind deep cleanse with 360 degrees rotating nozzle. The large-capacity water tank provides you with uninterrupted dental floss. The water flosser has an exclusive patented internal leak-proof drain and detachable design for a clean and comfortable experience. The Cremax water flosser is designed for periodontitis. Braces, dental implants, also prevents bad breath, yellow teeth, dental plaque, tooth decay, and bleeding gums. The Cremax water flosser is available on Amazon with great users' responses. Let's check some reviews from the users. Specification. Let's rate this water flosser. This water flosser is very popular among the users. Our rating is 4 out of 5 in terms of users' acceptance. The Cremax Oral Irrigator cleans deep between teeth and below the gum line, using a unique combination of water pressure and pulsations. In terms of value, our rating for this product is 4 out of 5. It's available at around $32, so our rating for the price is 5 out of 5. The Zerhunt Cordless Water Flosser is our third preferred water flosser that provides an effective and easy way to support proper teeth and gum health at home. It is featured with latest water flosser pulse technique, 30 to 100 psi pressure range, 1,800 times per minute pulse rate. It has 3 speed modes and auto timer protect for better support according to your needs. The 300 ml upgraded water tank design helps to non-stop oral dental flossing without filling water several times. This portable and lightweight water flosser has a long-life battery. It is available in 2 colors. The Zerhunt Cordless Water Flosser is one of the most reviewed on Amazon, earned a huge number of reviews and ratings from the users. Let's check some reviews. Specifications. It's time to rate this water flosser. The water flosser is also perfect for anyone with braces, implants, crowns, or periodontal pockets. In terms of user's acceptance, we want to rate it 5 out of 5. It provides you a high level of oral care. In terms of value, we rate it 5 out of 5. It's available at around $40, so our rating for its price is 5 out of 5. The Mospro Professional Water Flosser allows you to truly clean the limescale and dental plaque, which is impossible for common oral irrigators. It is featured with 3 operation modes to meet various oral care needs. Also has the 360 degrees rotable nozzle design that allows to easily clean the areas that are difficult to reach and prevent debris and dental plaque. The water flosser can clean the areas between the teeth and gums where a traditional toothbrush cannot reach, therefore achieving good oral hygiene using a combination of high pressure and pulse flow technology. The waterproof design is for both inside and outside of the product, and the intelligent design prevents leakage. The water flosser is available in 3 colors. The Mospro Professional Water Flosser is available on Amazon with thousands of reviews and high ratings. Let's check a few of them. Specification. Let's rate this water flosser. The Mospro Professional Water Flosser is one of the most favorite water flossers on Amazon, having a huge user base. We will rate it 5 out of 5 in terms of user's acceptance. This water flosser gives you a 100% safe and gentle experience. We will rate it 5 out of 5 in terms of value. This product is available at around $40, so the rate for its price goes 5 out of 5. The Waterpik Cordless Advanced Water Flosser is our first preferred water flosser that is 50% more effective than dental floss for improving gum health. It is featured with superior technology with an extra quiet design and 4-hour rapid magnetic charger. It comes with an electronic pressure control and 3 settings and lets you select water pressure intensity, low, medium, and high options. The flosser has 360-degree tip rotation for easy access to your entire mouth. The Waterpik Cordless Advanced Water Flosser is clinically proven and accepted by the American Dental Association. It removes up to 99.9% of plaque from treated areas and perfect for braces, implants, and other dental works. This water flosser comes in 6 colors. The Waterpik Cordless Advanced Water Flosser is available on Amazon with a good number of reviews and high ratings. Let's check a few of them. Specifications. Let's rate this electric toothbrush. The Waterpik Cordless Advanced Water Flosser is one of the advanced water flossers available on Amazon, having a good number user base. We will rate it 5 out of 5 in terms of user's acceptance. This water flosser provides you a complete gum care. We will rate it 5 out of 5 in terms of value. This product is available at around $70, so our rating for its price is 5 out of 5. So these are our top picks for water flossers. We have selected all these products based on users' responses and recommendations. Outcomes and experiences may vary from one person to another. Hey guys! If you like the video, then hit the like and share it with your friends. Comment below to let us know about your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.